Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can recruit 3 character free to play to your team. And this is the Turles era or Turles week. And this you can play this. You can recruit this character by playing Dragon Ball Story: The Tree of Might. So let's get started by tapping start button and tap the Dragon Ball Story. And there are some saga here like Dragon Ball Z, GT movies, and Dragon Ball first saga with Kid Goku as a main character. Let's get start with this movie saga. Tap, and this one, the Tree of Might. So you can recruit 3 characters to your team. The Turles is main villain in this stage. That can be Dokkan Awaken to transcend the UR limit. You can tap this the detail of information. So there are total 9 stage with 2 difficult, normal and Z hard. You can also get the stones, a lot of stones, total 18 stones, and also you can recruit 3 characters here: Turles, Dice, and Lakase. But the main character is this extreme red character, Turles, that can be Dokkan Awaken. Maximum level 120. You can tap this passive skill for the details you can learn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. Enjoy the game.